Hamburg. Hannah.
Aaron, I am battling the elements. In fact, I just was splashed by some of these massive waves out here on the shores of Lake Erie. We are in Hamburg right now. You're seeing 10 to 14-foot waves out here. They're just puddling water here onto shore. Not only is the wind wicked, but it is strong and cold. When we were driving here, our car was even shaking a bit as we were on the Skyway. That's something to watch out for with those high-profile vehicles. People coming from all over just to take a look at these waves and this windstorm here in western New York.
I mean, I thought this was supposed to be yesterday. Yesterday was calm. This is the actual day of 60-mile-an-hour gusts and stuff. But it's fun to look at.
Yeah, take it slow out there. It's even hard for us to balance right now because those winds feel like they're more like 60 miles an hour. You can see we're barely, I'm having to hold on here to the rail. Like, it is so gusty out here. I'm telling you, make sure you stay safe in your cars and go slow. We're gonna go dry off in the car. We'll send it back inside.
All right, Hannah, thanks so much for that.